welcome to Nirguna Academy. So in this video we will discuss about numerical section of motion chapter. Right? So in the previous videos we discussed the numerical section of this chapter. Again we are continuing in the numerical section of this chapter. And today's example is like this is there. So what is the example here? Starting from a stationary position here. Stationary means is what here? Rest position or a constant position, that is not moving, that is called as a stationary position. And Rahul pedals his bicycle. Rahul is what? Pedaling his bicycle. Rahul is pedaling his bicycle and attain velocity. Attain velocity how much? 6 meter per second. Okay, already the bicycle is at a stationary position, and after that Rahul is pedal his bicycle and attains how much velocity? 6 meter per second. In how much second? 30 seconds. His time is how much? 30 seconds. Then he applied a brake. After moving in that place, moving in that condition only, he applied the brake and the velocity of the bicycle comes down. Means the velocity of the bicycle will decreases to how much? 4 seconds. In how many? 4 meter per second. In how many seconds? 5 seconds. Then you have to calculate acceleration of the bicycle in both cases. Means so first Rahul pedals the bicycle, and that time the velocity of the bicycle is how much? 6 meter per second. And how much time taken by that bicycle to attain that 6 meter per second means it is 30 seconds. How much it took? 30 seconds time taken by the bicycle to attain this much means 6 meter per second velocity. And after he is applying, Rahul is applying the brake, and its speed is decreased from 6 meter to 4 meter per second with a time of 5 seconds. So then you have to find a total. You have to find a average velocity in both cases. Sorry, you have to find total or average acceleration in both cases. So first case, what is here? Initial velocity is what? U means what? Initial velocity is 0 because it is at a stationary. Stationary means a rest position, so velocity will be 0. So initial velocity will be 0, and final velocity is how much? 6 meter per second. Final velocity is how much? 6 meter per second. Time is what? Time is what? 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Correct? So here again we will write in the data. So initial velocity is what? Is equal to 0, and final velocity is equal to what? 6 meter per second, and time is how much? 30 seconds. Okay, so this U is denoted by initial velocity, and V is denoted by final velocity, and T for time. And we know that acceleration formula: final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. Correct? What is the value here? Final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So final velocity is how much? 6 minus what is initial velocity? 0 is there. Time is how much? 30 seconds. Correct? What is the value remaining here? 6 by 30. Correct? 6 by 30. 6 by 30 means what? 6 by 30 is remaining. 6 ones are 6 5s are 30. Correct? 6 5s are 30. What is the remaining value here? 1 by 5. Correct? 1 by 5 means what? You can write here. You can divide here 5 1. So 1 is not divisible with 5. You can take here 0. 1 point decimal can place 1 0. Right? 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10. So answer is what? 0.2 meter per second square is the acceleration of the bicycle. Correct? This is about first case in the acceleration of the bicycle. Right? First, what is the initial velocity? 0, final velocity 6 meter per second, and time is how much? 30 seconds, and the acceleration formula is V minus U by T. So 6 minus 0, substitute the value here, and 30. 6 minus 0 means 6 only, and 6 ones are 6 5s are 30. So 1 by 5 means how much? So 0.2 meter per second. This is the first case. Okay. So second case, what is here? We will again discuss second case. Second case is what again? That initial velocity now becomes what? 4 meter per second, right? So initial velocity is become how is here? 6 already it is a 6 is there. 6 meter per second. 6 meter per second, and final velocity will be decreases into how much? 4 meter per second. Correct? And how much time it took for reducing the speed from 6 to 4? It is a 5 seconds. Correct? And acceleration formula v minus u by t. Correct? After the applying the brake, the speed is reducing from 6 meter to 4 meter second, and time is how much taking? Only 5 seconds. Again, you have to substitute the value. Final velocity is how much? 4. Correct? Initial velocity is how much? 6 is there. Final velocity 4. Initial is 6. Divided by time is how much? 5. So what is the value remaining? Minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Correct? So minus 2 by 5. So here again 5, 2. Again here 2 is very less is there. Again you can take a point and you can make a 0. So 5 4s are 20. So answer is what? Here 2 by 5 is equal to what is the value? Minus 4.4. Sorry, 0.4 meter per second square. Right? So here minus sign will be there. Minus sign will indicates what here? Minus sign will indicates the opposite direction. It is not negative value. It will indicates the opposite direction. So the force is applied in the form of friction in which direction? Opposite direction to stop the bicycle from what is the before the speed applying the speed of the bicycle is 6 meters per second. After applying it will reduces to 4 meters per second. For reducing 2 meters per second it will take how much time? 5 seconds. Okay, this is about the numerical section of this chapter. Okay, for next video we discuss the next numerical section of this chapter. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.